What's up, folks? Your buddy Fatalroadie. Tonight on Roadie Snacks, we'll be trying something a little bit different. Subscriber of mine sent me these. It was supposed to be red, white, and blue. The red apparently had sprung a leak and was like halfway emptied into the container. But they're Faygo sodas. This one is the Firework and cotton candy. I don't think I've ever really tried Faygo before. Let's go ahead and start off with the Firework.
12 seconds later.
I'm picking up a scent on it. Not sure what we're supposed to be having, what the Firework is supposed to be. I mean, they have a bomb pop on it, and I am picking up a slight bit of cherry. Maybe that's what it's supposed to be. I don't know. It's not bad. Would I break the door down to get this? Probably not. I might not be the group that would be drinking Faygo all the time.
What the fuck?
And give it 2.5 out of 5. It's not bad. It's the Firework Faygo. As we lose focus, there we go. Next, we're going to be trying out the cotton candy Faygo.
The following Thursday.
Expect a sugar buzz off of this. Caffeine free, probably laced in sugar. You can smell. You can definitely smell cotton candy. I'm feeling my teeth wiggle. I can jump on the treadmill that's hooked up to the generator and power my house for the next week. Whew. That is sweet. A little oversweet for me. Wow. And I might have to knock it on that. It's got a good taste, but like I said, it's I give it a 2 out of 5, mainly because, like I said, it's just way too sweet for me. It's the cotton candy Faygo. I'd like to thank my subscriber for sending me these. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to try the red one. But maybe I'll find it online and I'll complete the trilogy in another video. And that'll do it for this episode of Roadie Snacks. Leave a comment down below if you've had this before, what you thought about it, what you thought about this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe. I've been Fatalroadie. Been awesome. Thank you very much for watching. And remember, if it's too loud, you're too old. See ya.